welcome back to 4 Purple Roses. And today it's only one of the purple roses, gosh. And today I'm going to be teaching how to make fried eggs. I made a video earlier, but then I didn't really like it, how it turned out, so I'm going to redo it. So as you see, my pan is all eggy. So usually first I'm going to get the egg. Start by rinsing off the egg if it's from a chicken coop. Because I have chickens and they lay eggs now, and you get poop all over them and it's disgusting. So you have to rinse it off. Alright. So now, I'm going too fast. The ingredients you'll need, well, not ingredients, tools and ingredients are a pan, a lid, and it doesn't have to fit the lid, it just has to be able to cover the eggs. See, I couldn't find a lid that actually fit this, so now the lid will just cover this. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Anyways, sorry, this is my very first video I posted just by myself on YouTube. And yeah, so you're gonna start by pressing down the burner turner thing. Burner turner. Sorry about the noise. They're just talking. Go, 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 go. Sorry, it's hard when you have 3 sisters to film a video. Anyway, so you push it down to press to light until it lights. Then you can put it on medium or medium low on your highest burner. So then, now, I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil so it's part of the video. There we go. Not too much, because then it'll just be bad. Sorry about that. So we're gonna crack the egg and put it in. Gosh. Make sure you don't get any shell in there. And if you do, like I just did, you could just, it's okay. You can either scoop it out or don't. I'm gonna go spoon because I don't want eggshells in there. But it's like the tiniest little eggshell, so it doesn't really matter where to go. I can't even see it anymore. And it's fine, it doesn't matter what's inside. Okay. Sorry, that was my puppies. Here. Okay. Sorry if that ruins the video. Here's one of them. I got 2, but this is one. Oh my gosh, you're having a heart race. Okay. Yeah, here you go. Hey. Okay. They're just taking them out to go potty. So now the egg should be getting thicker. I'm going to turn mine up to medium so it goes a little bit faster. Gosh. No, I'm having a heart race. So yeah, you don't want to scramble it and go like, because then they'll literally turn into scrambled eggs. Just like slightly, scraping it off the side so it doesn't stick to the pan. No. And my dad taught me this trick where you take the pan and you put a little bit of water in it. There you go. Just a little bit. And it'll also help. Well, that's a little bit. Not a little. Sorry. It's not a little bit. Gosh. I can't speak this right this morning. That's a lot. I accidentally a lot. There, I know how to speak finally. Gosh. Keep this on. And I'm gonna wait. The funnest part is waiting. No, the funnest part is eating. So, while you're waiting for when it's done, you can get a plate for when it's done. Put it on because you're gonna need that quick when it gets. I learned on this plate when I was 3.5 years old, and then we put it, and then it hardened. I don't really know how to do it, but Make sure to check on it every few seconds. Steam. Gosh. Alright. So my eggs are definitely getting a little thicker. So let me show you. It's starting to make a sizzling noise, and that's how it's supposed to be. See? Yeah. So make sure you are getting under it, and make sure all the water is getting under it. Oh wait, did I mention this? Yes, you'll need this. Oh my gosh, there's water again. Sorry. You'll need this too. Sorry. I forgot that in my last video. Wait, I don't know if I said that. Whatever. Anyway, oh my gosh. I almost forgot this, and I had saved it towards the end in my last video that wasn't fail. You need salt, so make sure to pour it in now. Water keeps dripping. Gosh. Okay, it's probably ready to flip now. So how you do it, see, you just take this and get it under it, and then you go real fast to get the whole thing, and just flip it on there. And it might look a little red on like some of the white part, but that's okay. It's totally normal. Okay, puppies are back. The puppies are back. Gosh. There we go, and it's done. So let me show you what it looks like now. And same thing, get under it and fast. Ta-da! And just put it on your plate. Sorry about that. Sorry about it. That, not it. My puppies are here. So I'm turning the burner off and make sure you keep everything out to dry. See the steam, it's like all steaming. So make sure you leave everything separate, because if you leave it like this thing is gonna melt. So don't leave it like that. I almost made the first mistake the first time I did it. Please, now I just need to get a fork and we can try it. Oh yeah, I'll use the fork I used last time.
Juicy, come on! Juicy, come on! Juicy, come! I know, Roxy, I know.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I'm gonna film in 2 different videos at the same time. Okay. Well, this video, I made this in 2017. I was 4 years old. Okay. Sierra! To be any louder? Pretty good. Tastes just like last one. If you want, you can add more salt.
Roxy, really?
What the heck? Sorry.
Roxy, you have to knock the apple there?
Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for liking and subscribe too. Bye-bye.